As a gaming enthusiast and avid fan of musicals, you must be excited about movie musicals, especially when they've taken home the Best Picture award on several occasions. One upcoming production that's got us particularly pumped is Jon M. Chu's Wicked, set to premiere on November 27th, 2024. Breathtaking visuals, vast practical sets, and the magical world of Oz have us utterly captivated, but this week's event brought something more. Glindas from different eras coming together. At the event, Broadway performers, including Katie Rose Clark, Brittany Johnson, composer Stephen Schwartz, and director Jon M. Chu gathered, each with a unique connection to the role of Glinda. This group represents a passionate Broadway enthusiast's interpretation of the Avengers, combined with a love for Wicked. Between the onstage and screen adaptations, it's clear that Wicked stirs deep emotions within everyone who watches it. The magic will only continue as the story unfolds when the movie premieres on November 27th, 2024, which is it. We can't wait to revisit the enchanting world of Oz. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay magical.